Hey folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to use JSON in your web applications. Listen up. Okay, first thing you need to do is include jQuery 1.7. Package it locally within your file system. Step 2, make sure you have an HTML5 index.html doc. The way you know it's HTML5 is with this declaration here. Cool. Next thing that we're going to do is figure out what kind of data we're going to be using. In this case, we're going to be using local data. We're going to be putting it in an array and have JSON objects inside that array. Then we're going to be outputting it onto our web page and doing some cool stuff. First, on document ready. Okay. You do not need to create the data array within document ready. So let's do that outside the document ready function. I'm going to assign the array. Let me initialize my variable. Variable pimp. Okay, so pimp equals array init variables. Cool. Create array with JSON. Okay, pimp. Now, in this application, I'm going to be tracking the number of holes I got. Digital holes. Okay, so first hole I got, her name is Apple. Okay. Status, I'm gonna have her status here. Her status is popular. Okay, characteristic, owner is Apple Inc. Alright. Next hole I got, his name is called Android. Okay. Now this whole status is called malware. The owner here is Google. Now, next hole I got. Okay, let's stop at 2 holes. Okay, so the pimp has 2 holes. Now what we're gonna do in this application is show you how to manage the holes. So now JSON what? Now let's call this application pimp tracker. Pimp hole. Digital hole tracker. Okay, now for digital hole tracker, let me just go into, okay, digital hole tracker. Okay, so we want to know how many holes this pimp has. So let's ask a question. How many holes does you have? Okay. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to put the ID equals num holes. Okay, so this is the ID. We're going to put the number of holes in this ID. So the way you get the number of holes is you count the number of objects within the pimp array. So array, you know, is the way you count it is with the index. So, okay, you get the length. So you get the name of the array, which is pimp dot length. So this will give us the number of objects. In this case, the number of holes, digital holes. Please don't take offense to this. This is just an example to teach you JSON. So we're gonna append. We're gonna put the value in num holes, the number of holes. Okay, so we're gonna answer this question right here. Okay, so that's num holes Now we're gonna append the text. We'll change the text to oh yeah, I forgot to create the initialize var num hose. Okay, num hose, and then num hose equals pimp dot length. Okay. Okay, now we got the num hose, so I'm gonna. Okay, num hose. Now we should have the correct answer here. 2. This pimp has 2 holes. Now let's style num hose. So let's create like a style here. Right. Num hose background number. Let's do a WebKit. Border radius of maybe 5 pixels. Padding of 8 pixels. Text align center. Color. Okay, cool. Alright, man, it's looking good. So I got 2 holes. Margin is off, so do margin top 1M. Or maybe I do display block. Yeah, display block. Cool. Now we got what we got. We got P. So P, maybe do P margin 1M 0. Alright, okay, cool. Cool, now we got num hose. That's our simple application. Thank you for watching.